Well, Alaska sawmill. There you go. There's a picture of the mill. Here's a picture of the chainsaw I'm using. I love steel chainsaws. This is an MS-391. It's over 60 cc's, and that's important. It's also got a 25-inch bar. And the big deal is the ripping chain. Okay, I just can't tell you. You have to have a high quality ripping chain. It's completely different than a standard cross cut. You're cutting parallel or with the grain. Now, setup takes as long as it does to cut the log to a high D. And another thing that I couldn't find any help with is I'm cutting these logs. It's a tapered cut, and that's pretty complicated. So I'm cutting half of the log at a time because it's a 17-foot 5-inch rafter. The ladder's 16 foot, and I'm using it as a guide rail. So you can see how I've got it set up here on the end. See my dark line there? That's 3 inches. So I've got to set the mill for this. Now the ladder is level and the sawhorses are level. So the log, you block it off at the delta. The delta in this case, I've got a 13-inch and a 15-inch. So the difference between the two is, let's see, 13, 15, 2 inches. And I want to get this log down to 12 inches consistently. So it's a level, it's a tapered cut from 3 inches to 1 inch. Now, that's going to get everybody's head spinning, but after I did 4 logs, I got it down to a pretty good science. And you can see the bottom of this log has a really nice plane to it. See how it's sitting on the blocks? Both ends are 12 inches. All right. Now, I think that helps you with the setup.